Welcome. Today's video will show you how to remove blocked and muted accounts from your search results on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the new web update on your PC. If you've ever noticed unwanted profiles popping up in your search results, this quick guide will help clean things up once and for all. First, open x.com in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen for the main menu. There, you'll see several options. Click on the one labeled More to open an additional list of settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control most aspects of your account, including your privacy preferences and what content appears as you use the platform. Under the Settings and Privacy menu, choose Privacy and Safety. This section focuses on controlling how your information is used and how content is displayed. Once inside, find and click on Content UC. This is where you'll manage what appears in your feed and search results. Now click on Search Settings. Here's where the new update comes into play. You'll notice an option that says Remove Blocked and Muted Accounts. Check that box. Doing this ensures that any accounts you've blocked or muted no longer appear in your search results, helping you create a cleaner and more relevant browsing experience. After you've checked the box, your preferences will save automatically, no need for extra steps. Close the settings and continue browsing as usual. From now on, you'll only see content from users you haven't blocked or muted. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can refine your experience on X, keeping your search results free of the distractions you'd rather avoid. A simple update, but one that makes a noticeable difference in how you use the platform every day. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to share it with others who might want to tidy up their search results too. Thanks for watching.